Good morning 9th class students. We are discussing lesson number 2 and let's see the another problem. Here a particle moving with a constant acceleration, that is 2 meter per second square. So acceleration given. Due west has an initial velocity of 9 meter per second due east. See, acceleration is towards west, due means towards. Acceleration is towards west. Initial velocity is towards right, east. So these two are in opposite. Acceleration and velocity, if they are opposite in direction, the velocity gradually decreases. So decreases means final velocity is 0. Understand? Acceleration towards west, velocity towards east. So these two are in opposite direction. If velocity, acceleration are in opposite direction, velocity gradually decreases and becomes rest position and comes to rest position. So final velocity is 0. For this statement you have to understand this. And here speed is gradually decreasing. So we should call acceleration as deceleration or retardation. Have you remembered this? Deceleration or retardation means the speed is gradually decreasing. So instead of acceleration we will call retardation or deceleration. So for this case A value will be minus, negative. Now we have to find out the distance covered in 5th second of its motion. Now let's see. Here this is the object, right? Its acceleration is towards west, initial velocity is towards right. Now here acceleration value how much? Minus 2 meter per second square. Why minus? Because velocity, acceleration both are in opposite direction. So acceleration should be taken as negative, minus. And initial velocity u value 9 meter per second. Okay. And we know final velocity v value is 0. Now we can use the first equation of motion. V is equal to V equal to U plus AT. V is equal to U plus AT. You know why I am using this formula? Because how much time required for the body to rest position, that we have to find out. So that is the reason I am using the first one. So V is equal to U plus AT. Now substitute the values. V value is 0, U value 9 plus A value minus 2 into T. So 9 minus 2T. This is minus, when comes to here plus. 2T is equal to 9. 9 by 2, that is 4.5 seconds. So at 4.5 seconds only the body comes to rest position. But he is asking how much distance covered in 5th second. Right. But at 4.5 second only it is coming to rest position. Here it is 4.5 second. You know, I already told you. When acceleration and velocity both are in opposite cases, the body will come to rest position, and after that again it will start in the opposite direction. So here if this is the body at 4.5 second, again it should move. First initially it is moving in this direction towards east. Now the body will change its direction towards west, it should go. So here is the 5th second. So first we will find out in this half second how much distance will be covered. So the distance covered in half second. Why half second? Because this is 4 4.5. This is fifth second. So between them the difference is half second. That is, we know S is equal to ut plus half at square. You know, here the body is at rest position, right or not? It come to rest position. Now again it starts moving. So in this case u value is 0. We should not consider this u value. This is the second case. In first case the body is moving with some initial velocity. But in the second case the body came to rest position and again it starts moving. So initial velocity will be 0. This is very important. Okay, only this small logic you should understand. Half at square. Since u is equal to 0. Half acceleration value 2. This is distance, right? That is the reason I am not considering the minus value, because distance always in terms of positive values. T half square. 2 will get cancelled. 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. Now S is equal to 1 by 4 meter. Now we should find out total distance covered in fifth second. Right? Now total distance covered in fifth second. How much it will be? Let it be S naught. This S naught will be equal to 2S. S naught will be equal to 2S. Why? You know, here distance covered, that is half second, right? So total distance will be, if this 2 will come to left side, into 2. So 2S. Understand? This is very important. Why S naught is equal to 2S? S naught is the total distance covered. That should be equal to 2S, because normal one, that is equal to half second distance we have find out. Total distance means into 2. Okay. 2 into 1 by 4, that is equal to half meter. This is the answer. The body is moving towards west and its velocity is towards east. So A value is minus. This is retardation concept. Okay. Deceleration, retardation both are same. In this case, velocity gradually decreases and finally the final velocity will become 0. Here I want to find out the time taken by the body to come to rest position. So we should use V equal to U plus AT formula. So T value 4.5 seconds. So at 4.5 seconds only the body comes to rest position. But we should find out the distance covered in fifth second. So let's see in this half second how much distance can be covered. By using S equal to ut plus half at square formula we can find out. Here the body comes to rest position. So its initial velocity will be 0. So in this half second 1/4 meter can be covered. Then what is the total distance covered? That formula is 2S. When you use half meter will come. Okay. Very important problem. Everyone should practice this problem for 5 times. Thank you.